If you don't have this much, you're doing it wrong.
You will keep him in perfect peace whose mind is stayed on you because he trusts in you. Isaiah 26:3.
Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and if you're returning, welcome back, sis. I know you're wondering, is it? Could it be? Maybe not. I hear you, girl, so let's address it. No, I'm not gonna lie, girl. This hair has me in a chokehold, and I love it. Now, here's the thing. I have gotten lots and lots of compliments on my hair, and people come up to me and people are asking me, what's your hair routine? Do you do natural hair videos? Do you have some tips and tricks on how to grow my natural hair long like yours? I even had a really good friend say to me, I love your hair, it's flourishing, it's healthy, it's thick. Now please, all I'm asking you is don't cut. Because if you know me, you know I will cut my hair in a heartbeat. Because my mantra is health over length. So if it doesn't serve, cut it off. Ooh, now that's a word. That's a word, bird. If it doesn't serve, cut it off. And that's in life, period. You hear me? All right, girl. Let's address it. Now on this channel right here, we don't gatekeep. We tell the truth and we report the facts. So here is the real, true facts about my hair. Girl, it's crochet. There, I said it. But here's the thing. I feel like crochet was the go-to protective style during the pandemic. But somewhere along the line, my girl Crochet has lost her sting. And she has given way to things like the quick weave, the boho, and all of these new styles that we're going to. But I dare say, crochet is actually making a comeback. And I'm here for it. Like, I absolutely love it. I have been rocking my crochet and I have been getting better and better at installing my crochet to the point where I've been fooling people. And like I said, I don't like to lie. I've been getting lots and lots of compliments about my hair and I love it. And I'm about to put you on as well. So that's what today's video is all about. Now, if you're feeling this video, I'm just gonna ask you to go on ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, as well as comment. And let me know if I had you in the beginning. Like, could it be? Maybe. I don't know. What you think? Let me know. In order to accomplish this look, you're gonna need your crochet needle. And the hair that I'm going to be using is the Shake and Go Cuban twist. This is the kids pack. It comes 3 in a pack. It's the soft and natural. And I really like this hair because it mimics my natural hair so well. I believe this is why I've been able to fool people because this hair, it absolutely looks and feels like my natural hair. Now you see me do a little hand motion earlier, and that is just to indicate that I have a large mirror in front of me that I'm going to be using for my guide. And this right here is my braiding pattern. Nothing fancy at all, but I do have the tiniest bit of leave out in the front. Before I get started, I like to oil my scalp because this is a protective style and you want to oil your scalp, of course, girl. And I like this wild growth, but I also have my own DIY oil blends in it as well. Now, the key that you're going to want to do to make sure that this style is natural looking is you want to start by using the tiniest bit of hair. This is going to help it to lay flat and it's also not going to be bulky.
And I'm just going to bring you guys in just a little bit closer. I like to start by doing the front of my hair because I find that when I start at the back, my hands get tired and then the front doesn't come the way I want it to. So lately I've been doing it in the front. So now that I've brought you guys in closer, this is how I do it. Even though I have the tiniest bit of leave out, I like to also do the invisible method in the front. So to accomplish that, you just you push your crochet needle through, push the hair through, but then you only pull through half. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I pulled it in, I pull half of it and I do a double knot. And then I go back in with my crochet needle a second and third time, especially right in the front, to make sure that they are really, really close together. This is another key. This will make it, the closer the hair is and the thinner the pieces of hair that you're pulling through are, that is going to give you the flat, natural looking crochet that you are hoping to accomplish with this style. So here we go again. Just push your crochet needle in. There you go. Push your finger through and you only pull through, sorry, half, not both sides. And then so one will cover, and that's the invisible method. All right, so I'm just gonna keep going. We all know how to crochet. Like I said, this was the go-to hairstyle in the pandemic, so we all know what we're doing. So I'm just gonna shut up and you can just enjoy the video. And just like that, with the magic of YouTube, my hair is done. And I'm just taking a minute just to admire my handiwork and just, I feel accomplished right now. I'm not even going to lie. I've been doing this style for quite some time now. It's my go to. Like I said, I've been fooling people. But this right here, girl, this is the most important part of the video. This step you're not going to want to miss at all. This is going to be the key to make sure that this hair looks and feels like your own. Now, you do not want to skip this step. You're going to want to take your time and grab you a comb, a brush, a Denman brush preferably, and you're going to want to spend about 45 minutes, 25, 30, 45 minutes the most, just combing the hair out. Just take your time. Don't rush this step, girl. But trust me, thank me later. Do not rush this step. But take your time and you just want to section the hair just like you would your own natural hair because it's your hair. And when you're done, look how much shed hair I got from this. This process is like the most important step into ensuring that this looks like your own hair. If you don't have this much, you're doing it wrong. Take the whole thing, start over. You need to have this much hair when you're done combing through this hair. And this is what it's going to look like. Soft, natural looking. And then after this, I will go on to frame it to my face and everything, but I do not skip that step.
Alright girls, so there you have it, my quick and easy tutorial on how I accomplished the most natural looking crochet. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're going to try it. Don't forget to tag me if you do on Instagram and TikTok. I go by Inspiration by Georgie on both platforms. Let me know what part of today's video you enjoy the most. Let me know if you are feeling my hair. I absolutely love it. And girl, I just want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. I want to know if you love it as well. Also, if you're looking for a Bible verse that will allow you to set intention for this brand new year 2025, you might want to consider checking this video out right here, where I share with you my text that I have chosen to set my intention as I build this brand new year 2025, as well as go in depth on why and how important that particular text is for setting intention as we build and set our goals and our plans for the new year. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I love you as always for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye, girl.